Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to get followers on Pinterest. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to get followers on Pinterest, make sure to create an astounding Pinterest profile first. Go and sign up to a Pinterest account and try to add all possible vision inside your profile. While creating a profile, make sure to add an attractive business name, username, profile description, and website URL. If you're running a blog or a website, you should enable rich pins for your site, since it will add some additional information whenever you share blog URLs on Pinterest. While creating a pin, make sure to add description hashtags that shows what the pin is about. Hashtags are more trending in a post than a long description, so the power of the hashtag is not ignorable. By clicking on hashtags, a user can reach all type of post that is attached to a similar hashtag. To increase followers on Pinterest, make sure to post original content that is made by yourself and that are dedicated to your users and make meaning of their present. You can also use the help of some free tools like Canva that make attractive and right size optimized Pinterest graphics. Like Facebook, you can also join Pinterest group boards. Joining a Pinterest group board is also a medium to share your content to a large audience that is still hidden from you. Another thing to do is follow and tag other Pinterest users. Go to the search box and type in the name of the person that you would like to follow. Once you search for the person and reach their profile, simply tap on the follow button and make sure to follow more people on Pinterest in order to get that follow back. You can go ahead and comment on popular pins by tapping on this add a comment or photo inside a pin and send the comment to the person. If you do so, you might gain some Pinterest followers by making comments on popular or trending pins. You can also link your Pinterest to social media. In order to do so, go to the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on the settings icon at the upper right. Go to account settings under personal information and go to claimed accounts. You can go ahead and link your Pinterest to your Instagram, Etsy, and even YouTube. The advantage of this action is that people can easily find you on Pinterest if you link your account to any social networking sites. If they love you and your content, they'll like to become your Pinterest followers. Another thing to do is to save pins frequently. Go ahead and pin regularly on Pinterest group boards and on the Pinterest profile, and that will keep engaging visitors from your pins, and try to add a logo inside pins. Those are some of the tips on how to get followers on Pinterest. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.